We're embarking, first day. Current River.
Shannon would jump in right now. Shannon would jump in right now.
Yeah, just Shannon shame. It's Shannon shame.
WWSD. Oh, Shannon.
Then you got your feet in front of you.
Wait, you don't have your glasses on.
Woo! Yeah. Feel good? Whoa, we just saw a full-on big bald eagle right above us in one of these trees. It had like a 6-7 foot wingspan. It was cool. This is cool. Ah, love this. Nasty.
I lose a shirt, I gain a shirt. What's the problem?
The river gives. The river gives back.
It's a good one through the smoke.
Oh.
Got him.
It's pretty gay.
Yes, it is.
James.
Hey, the next pride parade that you see now won't be cousin Adam as much.
Oh! I lied. We got it though.
Oh, cool.
It's just a seed tick.
Yeah.
Oh, those
You're
are the
just
words.
starting to itch. I was like, man,
Yep.
That's nothing like testicular tick.
You're pumped up.
testicular dick.
Is he filming this?
That girl just took over. Barry and Doug are eager and ready to assist.
The whole
I do know that song.
or whatever. Yeah. Oh, I'm sure
But
you do.
I was going to bring my guitar. I thought Steve might be able to sing. He's pretty good. He's
You
got
know,
a pretty good voice.
he is. He
didn't
used
use
to
it
be a
much.
part of the Village People.
He like
He was,
And
the,
then
he was the cowboy.
He was
right?
standing. He tried to put it over his calf, the horseshoe, and it wouldn't fit. So Mike was like, "Yeah," and went "Poof," and fell straight to the ground.
Why?
Why? I asked why. Because I got monster calves. I got horseshoe calves, Rodney. Because my calves can throw a horseshoe. Mike, not throw a horseshoe.
But his
Oh, yes. Here's my final camp spot for my journey. I'm on the banks of the Current River. We just floated down that. Oh, it's so peaceful here. I love floating with those guys. James, Mike, Barry, Tom, Steve, Doug, You guys are good guys. All right. Ciao from the Current River, Missouri, 2023.